In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Roblox GUIs using Figma. Start in Figma by opening the Community tab and searching for Roblox UI kits. These kits include pre-made buttons, frames, and icons that match Roblox conventions, so you don't have to reinvent the basics. Choose a kit that looks modern, has clear components, and is easy to customize. Bring those elements into your file and set up a main frame that represents the screen or panel you are designing. As you design, keep things simple and compatible. Stick to frames, images, and text, and use only linear gradients. Effects like drop shadows, blurs, complex masks, and radial gradients don't translate well and can cause odd results after import. Keep your shapes basic, align everything carefully, and use consistent spacing so your UI feels polished in Studio. If you need visual depth, lean on subtle linear gradients or layered rectangles instead of unsupported effects. Group your elements in a logical hierarchy. For example, build a button frame that contains a rectangle for the background and a text layer for the label. Keep related items together and name them clearly so you can recognize them later. A tidy structure makes the conversion more accurate and makes it easier to tweak once you are in Roblox Studio. Next, install the Roblox Importer plugin in Figma. With your top-level frame selected, the one that represents your full UI or a single panel, run the plugin and click Convert Selection. Give it a moment to process. Make sure you are converting only what you intend to bring into Studio and confirm your frame boundaries are correct. So sizing remains consistent. When the conversion finishes, download the resulting .rbxmx file. This file contains your UI hierarchy in a format Roblox Studio understands. Keep it in a project folder alongside any images you used so everything stays organized. Now import it into Roblox Studio. Open your project, go to the Explorer, and import the .rbxmx where you want the UI to live, such as inside Starter GUI or within a specific screen GUI. You'll see your frames, text, and images appear with the same structure you set up in Figma. Ready for you to hook up scripts, adjust properties, and fine-tune alignment as needed. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.